the Muslim rulers were secular. Vivekananda is communal. This is their writings. And when some scholars tell that India has got a very bright history and heritage, these secular scholars dump them as the Hindu communals and very orthodox. Let them read some areas, read some writings of the Western scholars about India's history and heritage. I am quoting from Will Durant, I think #1 historian of the modern world. India was the motherland of our race and Sanskrit, the mother of European languages. India was the mother of our philosophy, of much of our mathematics, of ideas embodied in Christianity, of self-government and democracy. In many ways, Mother India is the mother of all of us. Then I am coming to Romarola. If there is one place in the face of the earth where all the dreams of living men have found a home from the very earliest days of men's existence on earth, it is India. Then I am quoting Albert Einstein. We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been done. These seculars are not at all proud about our history and heritage. Always their narration is as if our India has been civilized by the Muslim invaders and the British. Because these scholars are paid by this still today, I am telling, the enemies of India. And they praises all Macaulay. Yes, Macaulay introduced the education system of India in the British Raj. That is still continuing. And they only have seen the first part of the Macaulay writings. They have not seen the whole area and whole speech of the Macaulay. I am quoting a speech of Lord Macaulay, his speech February 2nd, 1835, British Parliament. I have travelled across the length and breadth of India. I have not seen one person who is beggar, who is a thief. Such wealth I have seen in this country, such moral values, people of such caliber, that I do not think we would ever conquer this country unless we break the backbone of this nation, which is her spiritual and cultural heritage. And therefore, I propose that we replace her old ancient education system, her culture, for if the Indians think that all that is foreign and English is good and greater than their own, they will lose their self-esteem, their native self-culture, and they will become what we want them, a truly dominant nation. Let these secular scholars read this area and see, at least Macaulay has clearly told, before the British came to India, India was a very rich nation. And the statement by this secular scholar that the India had been educated by the British, at least such statements by the secular scholar is negated by the statement of the Macaulay himself.